So the other day was Mental Health Awareness Day, and I thought it was worth mentioning the importance of having a structured morning routine. For example, I read this book a while back called The Miracle Morning, and it really helped me and highlighted the importance of waking up an hour earlier and the benefits it can have throughout the rest of your day. A lot of people wake up 30 minutes before they have to leave the house. They wake up rushed, they're uncollected, and they really have no plan of attack for their day. This is a recipe for having a stressful day. However, by simply waking up an hour earlier, you can increase your energy levels, it's gonna help you feel more excited, and it's gonna give you whatever tools you need to empower you to get whatever tasks are ahead of you. This is gonna immediately lower your levels of stress. So my morning routine, first things first by turning off my phone. Next, I'll go ahead and do some push-ups to get some oxygen pumping into my brain. Then I'll take a cold shower, or I like to do some personal meditation. And then after that, I'll usually do something that'll stimulate my mind, whether it's reading something positive or maybe even playing a little bit of my guitar. Next, I'll go and eat a healthy breakfast that's gonna help kickstart my metabolism and boost my levels of energy. So while I'm eating breakfast, I'll go ahead and write a game plan to focus on any top priorities I have to accomplish throughout my day. So this morning routine has helped me lower my stress levels significantly. It's helped me stay more energetic and even increase my levels of positivity. So I'm really curious to see how your morning routines have benefited you and what works for you. So please feel free to comment below.